Hey everyone, and welcome to Hooked on Needles and Crafts. Today I'm going to be doing a haul from pretty much the Five Below and Target. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So today, you guys, I am doing a haul from mostly Five Below and a little bit from Target. I've been getting a lot of requests to do kits from Five Below, Dollar Tree, and then I popped into Target. But I'm trying to find these kits, you guys, and I kind of find some here and there, but I can't find everything. So if there's a kit in here that you don't see and would like to see a video on that, you have to request it via email with the clear image of the instructions, because otherwise you're just gonna have to wait, and it's a hit or miss, because if they're sold out on it or they just don't sell it anymore, I'm not gonna be able to do a video. Alright, so let's get started. I always love popping into Target to check on the Mondo Llama product line. It's exclusive to Target, and they have a lot of crafts if you ever want to check that out. But what I got, and it's a big box, so I don't know if I can even fit it under here, but this is what it's going to be making. A huge pumpkin, white and orange, and it's made out of, like, I feel like maybe a ½ inch or an inch thick plush yarn, which is super ultra fabulous. It's so plush, so soft. So I intend on making these in a video and then chucking it at somebody's face, because this is they're just nice and fluffy, unless there's wire in there, because it looks like there's a stem, so maybe it requires a little bit of wire. Otherwise I won't be doing that. You shouldn't be doing that altogether anyway. But alright, so the next items are all from Five Below, so really excited about that, because there's a lot of them, you guys. I went to look and I found. So first we are going to be looking at is the Cool Crochet pouch. It's a granny square bag, which is going to be so fun to do, and I know exactly to whom I want to give this to. And then we have another Cool Crochet pouch, which I'll probably give this to the same person, but this one looks bigger, and I mean, obviously it's more complicated just because the other one was full square. This one is a round into a square. So definitely a higher skill set, and it's more than one pouch, so you have to sew granny squares together. So it's going to be fun and interesting to do. Next, let me pull it out. I will be doing, yes, itty bitty nitty kits. I said itty bitty nitty. I'm just going to do that from now on. Itty bitty nitty kits. I have Cool Kitty. This has been a request. I do have a list, so again, with the last bunch that I did, just wait in line. I'll get to all the kits, but this one's kind of cute. Here I have another itty bitty nitty kit. We got a little acorn, and yeah, I don't know why, like, I guess the bottom is green and this is brown. It should be maybe like a tan color or like a caramel color and then brown, but I don't know. It's not ripe yet. Then next we have another itty nitty bitty kit. It's Mr. Mustache. This one had been, well, all the three that I've actually pulled out, all of these actually have been requests, to be honest, because I have a long list. It's just a matter of what order I'm putting it in. Next we have an itty bitty nitty kit. We have Cup of Tea. Okay. That one actually, oh no, that was, yep, that one was too. this one was a big one. I have dill with it. So for all of those that have been requesting this one, I got it. So just, you know, keep that notification bell on, and I'll get that done at some point. This next one that works perfectly well with the corn dog, we have another itty bitty knit kit, which is Feeling Saucy. You know what's a little silly? They have itty bitty snack knit kits. No, not itty bitty. They have snack knit kits, which you would think fit for the food type stuff, but I guess not for all. But anyway, Feeling Saucy. Alright. And then another itty bitty knitting kit. We have Jackie Lantern. Oh, actually I have one more that I actually had. So that one, this next one is actually next in line. So I have another itty bitty knitty kit, and this one is Baby Ghosty. So again, it's a lot of kits, as you can imagine, so please bear with me, but I'm going to be doing all of them. Alright, not done. There's more. So, where is that? Okay. I am going to be doing Stitch. Yay! I think this was crazy that they had this. This is definitely AI or Photoshop, so I'm sure it's got to be some sort of felt stickers. Yes, felt stickers. And then we have to build this stuff. So this is going to be really cute. And it goes perfectly with this one. The Halloween version. Oh my gosh, look, he's got a pumpkin belly, pumpkin beret, and it's Stitch. How cute is that? Oh, and now this one, you can actually see the felt eyes, so it's, and the nose this time is crocheted, but I didn't like this Photoshop. It's like, that's not how it's gonna look, and everybody's gonna be like, oh, it's gonna look like this. Nope. All right, okay, now on to the more scarier things. If you do not want to watch this part, look away. We have Halloween. Well, it looks like Halloween 2, but it's just Halloween. We got Mike Myers. Okay, next we have It. Pennywise. If anybody's scared of this guy, yeah, look away. Even though they're cute, some of these characters do scare me a bit. I do love horror movies, but some of them, like this guy, I do not like. So, but one of these days I'm gonna have to watch the movies. They have TV shows. I should probably just bite the bullet and do it. Maybe I'll do it, because I usually binge horror movies in October. I mean, I watch horror movies throughout, but I binge throughout the month of October. Alright. And then one more of this series. We have Jason. Alright, so far comment below. Let me know what you think. I'm going to be doing the scary movie ones during the month of October. In case you're wondering, I'm going to butt in line for my list, because I have to fit those in. It's not going to make any sense after the fact. And then I do, you know what, let me throw in a little special there. I did go to Walmart, by the way, and I do have some Walmart kits that I want to show. So let me show you guys that now. I have this red heart one, and it's a green frog. This is supposed to be up next at some point, not like next, but I am supposed to throw this kit in there in the mix somewhere, and I just haven't had the opportunity. But because I try to do the requests over what I'm trying to show extra. But anyway, we have another one. This one's the bunny rabbit. Very cute. And then there's a couple more. Oh, 3 more of this. So we have a white cat. And then we have the pizza. This one I don't know. This is by Plaid Pachilla. So, wow, it looks like Woobles yarn, doesn't it? Oops, I hit the camera. Alright, another one from Walmart. We have a ducky. Quack, 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 quack. And you know what? I didn't do unboxings for these, but I'm going to show it anyway. Hold on a sec. Alright, I actually forgot a Mondo Llama one. Let's trail it back to the Target ones. I have a Mondo Llama one, and this one is the Create Your Own Crochet Character Kits. So I'm assuming, hopefully, you have enough material, yeah, to make 4 of these characters. We got the ice cream cone. We have the boba. Wow, are they really trying to copy the other kits? We have a cupcake and a donut. Each one of these I actually have done in another kit. There was a question, though, of the ice cream snack knit kit, if they can turn it into just crochet. So if that person's listening, I guess get the Mondo Llama kit, because you can get that cone. But yeah, I actually am impressed with Mondo Llama. I did not like the last kit where you had to use the paper yarn to make that basket. I got stinking a paper cut. Crazy. Alright, the next ones, you guys, are Amazon finds. So here is the first Amazon kit. I got this, of course, for the Little Mermaid. We're doing Disney princesses. And mind you, you guys, like I said, I want to do all of these, but I have to go through my list first. So the ones that I want keep getting pushed back farther and farther. So if you ever have this kit, hold on to it. I'm going to be working on it. Heck, if you throw it in a request, I'll add it to my list and then I'll eventually do it. Alright, so this one is the Frozen. And I thought that one was cute. This is more of like a sister find, because my sister loves this movie. So, and it comes with all this. It probably only gives you enough to make 2 characters. Yeah, it includes everything you need to make Elsa and Anna. These kits from Disney usually just give you enough material to make the first 2 characters, and then you have to use your own yarn for the rest. So if you've seen my Nightmare Before Christmas, that's exactly what I ended up having to do for that. Alright, this one I got because I love doing snacks, of course. So this one is a booklet. It's called Adorable Fruits and Vegetables to Crochet, and I cannot wait to try this out. If you had missed my other series, I did some gifts for my goddaughter, and that was the Cafe Crochet booklet. So this one is by Marie Klesse, or Kless. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to do the peas in the pod. But this one is going to be fun. Look, radishes. I love to garden, and I hardly got any fruits this year. Oh my gosh, look at that. I hardly got any vegetables or fruits from my garden, so I can at least make it. Fake it until you make it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at the banana. Oh my gosh. How cute. Oh, look at the raspberries. And what is that supposed to be? A grape? Cherries. Strawberries. Look at the strawberries. Oh my gosh. Look at that kiwi. Stop it. Peaches and apricots and plums. Really? I don't even eat that on the regular. Oh, look at the eggplant. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. This is too much. Oh my gosh. Look at the carrots. They have roots. Oh, and that was a leek. I was like, what vegetable is that? It looks like a leek, you guys. Oh, and look at, there's the roots on it. They're just so to the T. Oh my gosh, look at the cauliflower. I'm sorry, I'm getting overly excited right at the moment. button mushrooms. Oh no, look at that. Oh, I love mushrooms. Is that all it? Yeah, I think that's pretty much all it. But how cute. Can't wait to do that one. And then last but not least, I think these are cats. So, let me see. I'm just gonna open it. It's got all this, they're keychains. There's gotta be an instructional booklet. Oh, it's not at all. This is what it is. Frogs, owls, and a penguin. So, all this cute stuff you can find online. Anyway, so that's the lot of it, you guys. As you see, I have a ton of kits. Now I can really make a dent on that list of mine. I've just been waiting to find them. But in any case, like I said, if you need me to do one of these kits that I don't have and you don't want to wait, it's best that you just take a clear image of the instructions and email it to me. I actually had someone request the 2 marshmallow heads. I don't remember the official name of it, but I told her to email it to me, so that's another kit that I'm going to throw in the mix. If you're wondering if you have that itty bitty knit kit or snack knit kit, I don't know which kit it is that has the marshmallows on there. At any rate, thank you guys so much for watching. This is Hooked on Needles and Crafts. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.